Hello everyone, my name is Nadia. This is my second YouTube video. So today we'll be talking about how I paid off $11,000 in student loans. They are my federal student loans that I got from nursing school. And to be honest with you, I've been a nurse for 2.5 years and I did not decide to become serious about paying my student loans until it's 2018 right now, not until January 2018. So that goes and tells you I was avoiding responsibility. So my first two, I was in nursing school. I did accelerated nursing program and I just was so excited to have a job. I wanted to travel. I wanted to enjoy my life. So I was like, you know what? I'm not paying student. I'm just going to pay the minimum. I did pay student loans though. I'm not that stupid. So I just paid the minimum and I just enjoyed my life, went different places. And then, that gets old after a while. You just, in the back of your head, you're just like, I have these student loans that I have to pay off. So I have federal student loans and I have private student loans. Private is a whole nother story. Discover student loans, I owe them about $37,000. And I'm working on that one and I'll do a whole nother video on that. And now in regards to the federal student loans, I owe $11,000 on that, and I have paid it off. I started aggressively paying them off in January. It is now, I pay them off officially the week before my birthday. It's September now. So in the end of August, I did my last payment and it was very exciting. I was very happy. It felt like I accomplished something. When you first are doing or paying student loans, it's like you don't see any results. You just keep giving them all your money, all your paycheck. You're really a broke college student all over again. And if you're aggressively paying. And that's how I felt, and that's how I still feel, because I still owe them my private student loans. So here we are. I've officially paid them off. So I'll talk about basically how I did it, why I did it, and whatnot. So in January came around, and New Year's resolutions, new me, whatever, new goals. So I was just like, you know what? I need to be a grown up and I need to pay off these bills. And I just started slowly. Like I started paying $700, and then it was just like, I just kept seeing the money drop as far as the amount that I owed, and I started getting addicted to it. Like, oh, okay, it's $10,000 now. It's $9,000, $8,000. So in my job, I got a really good, I don't know if you say nursing, we don't really have, I don't know if we have promotions, but I applied for another position, which is unit-based float pool. For all the nurses out there, float pool is where the money's at, okay? It's stressful, but it's where the money's at. So give you an idea of what I was making, and then what I became making. So what I am making now, sorry. I was making $29 an hour, and this is in the DMV, Washington metropolitan area, Washington, D.C. And then after I applied for this position, which is unit-based float pool, they bumped me up to like $56 an hour. So it was like God was telling me, hey, you want to pay these loans off? You have no excuse now. Here's the money. So $56 an hour plus night differentials, which I mostly work nights. So you get $5 extra on the weekday, and then if you do it on the weekends, it's like $8 altogether. You get additional $3 or so, whatever. So that's what I started to do. I started to work and pay my student loans. And God blessed me with this position, and I just told myself that I am going to get rid of these. So I would say, started in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, 9 months, I was able to pay them off. So and while I was paying off my federal student loans, I was also paying off my private. Now with that, I owe about $37,000. That's a whole nother video. And I'm working on that. That's a whole nother video. And then for this one, I was putting about, in the beginning I was just putting like $1,000 towards my loans. And towards like the last 2 months, I was like, oh, I'm almost there. I'm almost at the finish line. So I just put like $2,000 like every paycheck, and I would only put like a little bit towards my federal. So, and then I finally got there. Now, the sacrifice. So this year, I like to travel. I like to go see different places. This year was a year of paying bills. So I did no traveling. My nails ain't done. If you only see my toes right now, they look a mess. I do my own toes. They're chipped right now. So no traveling, no getting nails done, no buying clothes really. Like I'll just browse and then I'll be like, oh well, we can't buy this right now. But you know, with special occasions like my birthday or something, I'll buy something for myself. So no shopping really. So another thing that's really, really big that a lot of people have problems with, it's no eating out. No eating out. So I did not eat out. So like, I enjoy cooking though. So I would meal prep my meals, and then I would take it to work. Everybody would order Panera or order out. I'd be like, I can't. I brought my food. So that's another thing. So no eating out. Meal prepping is a great way to save money. If you really want to see the money coming, or I shouldn't say that. If you really want to save money, make your own food. Cook at home. Bring your food from home to work, and you will really save. So that's a big thing. Let's see. Another thing is I do live with my parents, so I do not pay rent. So that was a way that I did or was able to save and put more into my student loans. Another thing is I don't drive a nice car. I don't have a BMW. I don't have a Mercedes. I have a Toyota Corolla, 2011 little Corolla. So it's paid off. And that was another thing that I paid off. I think it was in 2017. I'm really not big into cars, so I really don't care. As long as it takes me from A to Z. So that was another thing that that really helped me save money. So all in all, if you really want to pay off the student loans, you need to make sacrifices. That means no traveling, you know, no doing the things that you're accustomed to doing. And if you're really serious about it, I mean, I was really serious about it, and I was really committed to reaching my goal. Like my birthday just passed and I didn't go anywhere. I did not go anywhere. So my friends were like, oh, why don't we go here? Why don't we go there? I had to say no because I had a goal in mind. So don't feel bad for saying no. It's okay to say no if you have something in mind and you really want to achieve it. And along the way, you know, I'm looking at YouTube. I love seeing other people reach their goals as far as their financial goals, paying off their debt. Shout out to everybody who's getting there, and shout out to the people who are trying to get there, because it's hard. But Dave Ramsey, he's a great person. He's a great influencer. He gives great advice, and he really helped me keep focused and realize, you know, I'm not the only one. There's other people that also are trying to be debt free. So all my fellow millennials, all my people who are in debt, we are one of many, but hopefully we can pay these off and we can live life debt free, so we can really invest in things that can build our wealth. And that's the next step that I'm on. Hopefully when these debts are paid off, I can invest in things that can bring me wealth. But we're taking it one step at a time and just keeping the goal in front of our eyes. So thank you guys. This is my second video. Hopefully you guys liked it, and hopefully it was helpful for you guys. And I'll be uploading more videos. So if you like me, subscribe. Thanks.